Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the easiest way I found to make money from home. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, I know I haven't been making as many videos lately. I did a live the other night, and if you didn't see that, I have some other business ventures that I'm working on behind the scenes that are not related to the work from home space, and that's been taking up a lot of my time. But I'm still building Quicksilver, and I'm working on building this new opportunity, new for me. It's been around for 10 years as well. So I'm still doing my programs. I'm still here. I'm still showing up every day on Facebook and YouTube. And sometimes that's just a post. You know, I try to do reels and do videos when I can, but at least every day I'm making a post at bare minimum on YouTube and Facebook. And then of course I'm still sending out my direct mail. So with all that being said, the easiest way that I found to make money from home is this new system that I'm using, okay? And I can tell you 100% with 100% honesty, like I do in all my videos, that when I first started in the work from home space 20 years ago, there was so much more work involved than there is today. You know, we had to make our own capture pages. We had to create our own sales funnels. We had to create our own email follow-up systems. You know, there was nothing that was done for you like there is today. All right. And this new system that I'm using, it literally takes less than 5 minutes to set up. All right. Because, and this cuts out all the, you know, back 20 years ago, it was like information overload. And I know with today, if you're just starting out in the work from home space, the same thing applies. I mean, there can be too much information all at once, and it can be just overwhelming. All right. So with this new system, it's set up for anybody. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced marketer like myself, or if you're just, you know, online looking for ways to make, you know, supplement or replace your income from home. This system is the system. Okay. And before I go any further, I just got to say, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money simply because it's based on your work ethic. And most people don't have very good work ethics. But the people who join me and they follow what I teach them, they have success. The people who are willing to show up every day, put in the work, take action, and stay consistent, those are the people who go on to build, you know, to supplement or replace their income. You know, and some of them who are real go-getters like myself, you can go on to build a mailbox money empire like I have done, where you have money coming in around the clock and you don't have to worry about cash flow. Right? You're able to go and do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about money. You know, not worry about money. And it's a beautiful thing, because the one thing in life you can't get back is time. And when you have the time freedom to do what you want, it's just a beautiful thing. So anyway, back to the system. The system is perfect for anybody. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up, and it comes with the capture page, the sales page, the follow-up emails. And mind you, this is backed by a 10-year-old company. Okay? A 10-year-old company with transparent owners. Owners that show up every single day in our private social group. Owners that do live trainings 5 days a week for us. Okay? We have a morning call every morning from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to develop the proper mindset. Okay, there's so many things that this company provides us that is just crazy. It's crazy. I've never, in all the years that I've been doing this, I've never worked with a company or been part of a company that offers so many different things. All right, but this is a simple turnkey system. They pay out 80% commissions, and you can earn up to $128 per month per referral. All right, up to $128 per month per referral. And then you can go on and even earn a $400 one-time commission from each referral, all right? So you can make a lot of money here. The products that we have are just incredible. These aren't potions and lotions, anything like that. This is a complete business in a box, all right? So if you're somebody just starting out, this is the place. It has everything that you need. And when I say everything, I mean everything. The training, the systems, the tools, AI tools, everything. You don't need anything else. It's a complete business in a box. With that being said, if you're building other opportunities like I am, you can use this to build your other opportunities. All right? It's just a win-win for everybody. But it comes with everything. You know, capture pages, follow-ups, tracking, all the tools like I mentioned, everything. You do not need to go anywhere else. Okay? And with a track record like we have with owners who show up every day and have not changed the comp plan in 10 years and never plan on changing the comp plan, that pays out 80% commissions, this system is truly the best, in my opinion, okay? And all you have to do is send traffic to your system. And we even have AI tools that do that on autopilot now, okay? So it's something that you want to take a look at. I'm going to put the links down below. You can go to joinruss.com or workwithruss.com. It'll both take you over to the capture page that I'm using. It's awesome, all right? And when you have a system like this in place that does all the heavy lifting for you and you only have to focus on driving traffic to this system, all right? Like I said, we have a tool now that you can use with Facebook that does this for you. It frees up your time. And you'll see if you put in the work and show up every day, you'll start having leads come in every day, and slowly you can start building a nice monthly residual income using this system by just showing up every day. All right, it doesn't get any easier. All right, so if you want to see the system, again, go to joinruss.com or workwithruss.com. They'll both take you over to the capture page. We have a 3-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out, and you can reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, but this is 100% by far the easiest way I found to make money from home, and I know that it will help you, whether you're somebody who's just looking for ways to make money, just starting out, or somebody who's a seasoned vet like I am, okay? So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.